The way we implemented the acquisition helper loop was by creating a request. The request was called wake up helper loop. We then drag that wake up helper loop to a private request virtual folder to make it private to ensure that no other module can call it. Then on the start aquarium, we call the wake up helper loop and we register the helper loop for that event. When the wake up helper loop is received, the helper loop changes the timeout to 0. This basically wakes up the helper loop. We had started with a -1, which means wait forever. And then when the wake up helper loop event is received, then we change it to 0. And this means the timeout is going to execute as fast as possible or as fast as the acquisition happens. Then the acquirer will log the data and send the data updated. And this will continue to execute until the end user presses the stop acquiring. When the stop acquiring event is fired, we change the timeout to -1, which means put the helper loop to sleep. And of course, if the end user presses the stop module, then we stop the helper loop and exit the helper loop. And you can see that as soon as we start acquiring and as soon as we stop acquiring, the data stops.